does not have the weapon yet, but he's grabbing for something and he hasn't got a hold of it, I can throw the upper arm by and go behind him and pull this arm across. If he grabs a hold of it, it's the trapped arm body lock. Watch the difference. If he's got a hold of it, I don't want to pull it by because what could happen? He could pull it out for him. So the difference in timing is he hasn't got a hold of it yet, but he's trying to grab something. And he doesn't have a whizzer. I throw it by, I pull it across, and I trap his arm. Now I'm in what I call a vertical tilt position. After I'm in the ground, I can roll through, score my back points, go into like a vertical tilt. Standing, I have two options. I push this all the way across, and I still 2-on-1 the gun, or 2-on-1 the hand. Maybe I can start to reach and see what he's going for, but then I take control off. So that's an option. But I'm either going to present if I know what it is. I could present standing, or I can take him down and then present. One of the ways I take him down from here, and you've got to be very careful with your training partners, this is where it don't post for the training ball, is I put my hip in the hole. And I just ride him to the ground and I keep this arm. Put my hip in the hole, ride him down. Stay fall, get to my gun. Right. Slowly walk through this. Good high underhook, no whizzer. Okay. If that's the case, I have a high underhook, he has a no whizzer. I have wrist control or palm control, and he hasn't got a hold of the weapon yet. Now I can go to vertical tilt. If we're too far into it, we go to trap from by. Throw it by. I help bring the arm across, like I'm yanking, like I'm starting along. Switch side so I can see that fucking arm. Now I'm in that vertical tilt position. This is the position that happens sometimes that you never see happen in jiu-jitsu and wrestling. He reaches across with his other hand. Why? Because that's where his weapon's at. And when he does that, he just control both palms. We actually talked about this the other day, how John controls both palms, right?
My uncle used to do that to me.
Okay. This we just call a straight jacket. If he reaches through now, I control both palms. Andrew showed you a takedown from here yesterday where he drives him back forward and then he just kind of held it out with the knee on there. And now we have the straight jacket. I know where the weapon is, so that's where my knee goes. And now I can work to present, control where I want to go.